We're back with Tim White and Stephen Dunbar Jr. for part 2 of the Build It Better Challenge from Turkstra Lumber. For our next challenge, we're going to give you 4 screws, each for a specific purpose, and you have a sheet of paper with 4 labeled squares. Match the screw with the correct label.
Wood screw, concrete screw. This is tough. I don't know, bro. All these screws.
You're allowed to give them 1 tip or 1 answer.
1 tip, I need a tip.
A tip? A coat, coated for outside.
Let's go with it. Oh, maybe it might be this one. This one right here. But that's an outdoor wood screw. This should be an indoor wood screw. I'm gonna go concrete for this one. I'm gonna go steel for this one.
Okay.
All right, Mike, jump in and tell them what you think.
All right, you're on the right track.
Okay.
Outdoor wood is pressure treated, and it's currently in the color Micro Pro Sienna, which is a brown color.
Okay.
So your outdoor screw should match your outdoor wood.
Okay. Okay. I want to just flip them. I feel like this is gonna go here though. How'd I do it?
4 out of 4, buddy.
Hey, there we go, there we go. I'll take it.
See, your instincts were right on that concrete
Yeah.
screw, man. Way to switch that back.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, for the final challenge, we've given each player a hammer and a 3-inch nail, and whoever can sink their nail in fewer swings wins.
All right, the key to this next challenge is going to be hitting that nail flush with the head of your hammer, coming straight down on it, and just like golf, don't take your eye off the ball, or maybe better yet, just like a field goal, focus on hitting the ball, nice straight through the uprights. We're gonna drive this nail straight home, just like the Tiger Cats are gonna drive this win straight home Friday night. Woo!
What you're gonna wanna do is have a nice grip on there. You're not gonna want to do it as hard as you can. You're gonna wanna let the hammer do its job itself. You're gonna wanna keep your eye on the nail when you're hitting it, okay? And you'll drive it around through. Take care of that, Tiger Cat.
Stephen, 1 swing. Make it a good one.
I see what you're saying. The height does make it a little bit.
Height difference.
What you call it?
Oh, I missed that. That's 1.
That was terrible.
Oh!
Oh!
Damn.
Nice.
Had to just get one on the board.
I had to get one
I
on
like
the
it.
board.
I like
It's
it.
gonna be fun.
Oh, that was solid.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's freaking close.
That might have been the one to put it down. I might have lost it.
Oh, Tim!
Good job, man.
Yes. You might as well just finish
ahead,
it.
take your angle.
We finished what we started out here. Sorry, man. It's all right. It's all right.
How do you think you did?
I think I did great, man. First, I want to shout out to my coach, man. Shout out to you, Steph, man. You really helped me out, man. But I think I did pretty good. I'm pretty confident. Up until the last skills challenge with the hammer I think I did pretty solid up until that point.
I think I did pretty good. I don't know what the results are officially, but I feel like I did pretty good. The wood part, I think, slowed me down a little bit. But outside of that, I feel like I knocked everything out the park, or knocked everything through the wood. You know, I did pretty good. So Mike, obviously big help, you know, super knowledgeable about all this stuff. And he helped me through this way. It wouldn't have been possible. So thank you.
And the winner of the Build It Better Challenge is Stephen Dunbar.
Let's go! Excellent. All right. Toaster, baby. Yeah.
Before you start your next project, head to build-it-better.ca and sign up for a free project coach from Turkstra Lumber. Because do it yourself doesn't mean do it alone.